If a person wants to offer you a cap, and one is beautiful and has nice color, and one is pale and it looks like someone has already wear this cap, which one will you choose and why?
If someone offers Huzur two caps, one is more beautiful, one is pale, so which one Huzur will choose?
I may not choose either of the two because I wear my own headdress, and as far as my walks are concerned, I also wear some caps which I like, you know, the white caps which are common in Northwest Province and which come from the Pathans' wearing habits, and they have become very popular all over Pakistan. So they are good walking caps. So I prefer that. So I think in such a case, I may return both these caps to you to be given over to your husband. But not to Jahangir Khan. Because he is very stingy on caps. Once he possesses a cap, he never wants to leave it after that. Of that we'll take care tonight, maybe it will be in the class, inshallah. Okay. Please. You'll have a good laugh tonight if it happens. Yes. Not your word for it. You know, he just adheres to caps like it's irresistible for him. The word bakhil is a bit overmuch, you know. I don't want him to be condemned by the word bakhil. People may guess what I mean.
I understood now.
But what I say is simply this, that he is irresistibly drawn towards caps. And once he owns one, he would never like to leave it.
Understand.
That goes with his character. Only that much I should say.